today's video is called the house design, and this is our role play that we're going to be doing today. And yeah, so let's get started. So basically, Stacy is just gonna be getting her house done, and Avery is too. So yeah, I'm not gonna spoil it. Well, I kinda did, but whatever. So yeah, let's start. Okay, we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Start. I really don't like my room. I need a new one. I can just get a new house design. I can do mine in the children's room since I can finally afford it. Okay, I'm gonna call someone. Hi, can I get my room and my daughter's room? Yeah, either 1 or 2 daughters. 2, but they're in the same room because they're just babies. Oh yeah, of course, just send me the designs and we'll be able to do it. We'll be at your house in 5 minutes. Okay. Let's send the designs. Okay, all done. Oh, I think he's here. Ding, ding, ding. 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 Okay, I'm here. Okay, great, we're ready. Yeah, who are you? I'm his daughter. Yeah, so be helping me. Don't worry, she got this. Okay, well, you guys can start with my baby's room. But I haven't been packing because you guys just came after I sent the photos. Yeah, we're fast. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. And guys, we're almost at 1K. Sorry for pausing it, but we're almost at 1K, and I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for all the support. And right now, I'm pretty sure we're at 913 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for all the support and love. And yeah, I just hope that we can get more and more subscribers so that I can get to 1K. Okay, anyways, okay, let's continue. All right, well, my daughters are right here. Okay. You guys can take the snacks stuff. I'm just gonna take these things. Yeah. They have a little snack bin. So you can take those. Okay, great. Okay. Good. Alright, this is gonna be easy fit. Yeah, especially. Yep, let's go. You guys are basically gonna be like building with me. Oh yeah, guys. By the way, I'm also gonna. Oh, not that. I'm also gonna post a video about this. But I just made another channel that's called Cooking with Zainab. No spaces. The Z is a capital. And oh yeah, it's Cooking with Zainab 2212. The Z is only capital and no spaces. So yeah, okay, anyways, let's start. So first, since they're both girls, they're gonna baby cribs. They're so cute. I really wanna just add a bed right there. Can't. Sadly. We're gonna put their closet. Oh yeah. I think we're gonna put this closet. It's like really, really cute. Okay. Now we're gonna be getting a really cute kawaii rug. I really love it. Okay. We're gonna add this snake painting. And then we're gonna this one, then we're gonna put the fish. Okay, that's cute. Okay, I don't think I need shelves, but I might need some more like spots. So yeah, but I'm definitely gonna add this in the room because it's like adorable. I'm gonna like bring this over so I can. Okay, wait, I'm gonna just right there. Okay, guys. No, guys, by the way, I'm back to my cell phone. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna add this bench. Or should I add this couch? I feel like the couch matches like the room more. Wait, I think you can just put it right there. Okay, yeah, perfect. Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna just put those over. I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna put a bunny on this side. Okay, the bunny works, but the bunny looks a little bit creepy, so wait, would this fit there? No, it's not gonna work. So I'm just gonna keep it right here. Here, okay. Oh my god, and there's little bears. I love how there's little bears. Okay, anyways, wait, okay, I think I'm gonna add like a mini picture next to that room. And does that fit? Okay, wait. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna add a little thing. Actually, I'm gonna put one. I'm gonna put one right there, and I'm gonna put one right here. I should have just, because then I changed it. Okay, whatever. What? I do not know what is this. Wait, can I put that on top? Okay, whatever. Okay, well, now we're gonna add okay. Never used this one. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. Okay. I think that's good. Alright, we're all done. Yeah, just like that as well. Let me see. Oh my god, that's amazing. Thank you so much. Yeah. Looks like back this up then. Oh my god, wait, this is so cute. Okay, now we're gonna put some diapers. Is that one? Okay, and then I'm gonna put some diapers in here. Okay. And I'm gonna add these. Okay, now I was gonna do underneath like pacify. So underneath I'm gonna do like pacifiers and like bottles. Okay, here I'm gonna put the hairbrush. There's soap. Their bottle. Okay, now these like sort of thing will go like here. Not done. This is all for the baby pooping. Why is there so many diapers? Okay, let's put this shot. Okay. Let's put no, that does not fit on school, but just bed. Okay, now let's gonna be on top of him, so let's put that right there. Okay. Let's close there. Ah! Oh my god, this is so annoying. Now let's go to food. Okay. Okay, wait, I need to get something. No. Okay, guys, so I don't really want to finish this roleplay, so I'm gonna make a part 2 tomorrow. Anyways, oh wait, these are so cute. You guys, I'll do their lights, but they are so cute either way. Okay, anyways, bye guys. See you in the next one.